Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Joe Igbokwe, a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress, and if you are looking for the propagandists of the All Progressive Congress in selling lies to Nigerians, don't look further than people like him, because they are the spinners of the APC who can look at white and pointedly tell you that it is black, all in the bid to show that APC is what's supporting. Now, Joe Igbokwe recently claimed that the celebrity wedding between music sensation Davido and Chioma Rowland took place in Lagos because the Adeleke family of Davido said that Southeast was unsafe for such a wedding to take place. That is what Joe Igbokwe wants us to believe. But is Joe Igbokwe in a position to know that that was what happened? Is he close to the Adelekes? Is he close to the Chioma Rowlands? How did he get the information that the wedding was put at Lagos because the Adeleke family rejected Imo State, that it is unsafe, that South is unsafe to host such a wedding? We may never know. But coming from Joe Igbokwe, who is part of the APC, we don't have to accept that his position. That cannot be true. That certainly cannot be true. Southeast is not the most unsafe part of Nigeria today. To put it mildly is to say that there is any place in Nigeria today that is safe. Even in Lagos, recently they kidnapped a Lebanese businessman and were demanding millions of naira. In Lagos, where is safe in Nigeria under the APC? Which part of Nigeria can you travel in the night? I remember in those days, some of us would like to take night buses so that we just arrive very early in the morning and you begin to do whatever you want to do. But you don't dare travel out in the night in Nigeria today unless you want to commit suicide. Which place in Nigeria is today that he said the Adeleke said that Southeast is not safe? Where is safe? Is Imo State, where they come from, safe? But I know that the family didn't say anything like that. They couldn't have said it. It couldn't have been their reason. There is a lot of reason why that wedding could have taken place in Lagos as it did. It don't have to be because Southeast is unsafe. There is a whole lot of reason why it can take place in that Lagos, depending on the choice of the family. Agreed. Traditionally, it is when people want to wed, they take the wedding to the ancestral home of the lady. Agreed. It's common among people of Igbo extraction. Agreed. But the Igbos also have a proverb that where a man is staying, that is his house. So they can still do it in the residential home of the Rowlands in Lagos, and it wouldn't have meant anything negative in terms of tradition. But Joe Igbokwe wants us to believe, and want the world to believe, that it was because of insecurity in the southeast. And a whole lot of people may believe that, especially those who have never traveled to southeast before, have nobody they can call in southeast to find out the situation of things, and believe his story. And you know, when they are telling this story, the way Premium Times carried it, Premium Times also made reference to what Cubana chief priest said, how that the southeast is unsafe. Okay, that southeast is unsafe. You know, Cubana chief priest has also made something similar to that. How did southeast become so unsafe that traditional things can't take place? I don't buy it. I know that no part of this country is safe. That's a total breakdown of law and order in Nigeria. Yes, no place is safe. Go and check the number of people that have been killed in Nigeria, kidnapped since Bola Ahmed Tinubu became president. In the last 1 year, almost 10,000 people have been killed under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You want me to show you records? But this is not what I'm out in this video for. Under President Muhammad Buhari, 63,111 Nigerians were killed. You can Google it as I'm talking to you. Just Google it. 63,111 Nigerians killed under Buhari. It will pop up. You see them. Go to Google. Check your Google right now as I talk. And Tinubu came to power saying he's going to build on the legacy of Buhari. And the legacy of Buhari is a legacy of so many much spread of insecurity all over the country. Before Buhari came into power in 2015, insecurity was restricted in the northeast of Nigeria, basically that of Boko Haram. But by the time Buhari was leaving, insecurity became a nationwide problem. So for anybody to claim that it's insecurity, why is now Southeast is not known as this food basket of Nigeria? At least we know that. So why is it that there is scarcity of virtually every food product in Nigeria? And they say it's because of insecurity. So if it is insecurity that is causing the scarcity of food in Nigeria, and Southeast is not the food basket of Nigeria, so why is it that weddings are still taking place in Meduguri? Weddings are still taking place in Kano. Weddings are still taking place in Katsina. Weddings are still taking place in Kaduna, in Benue. Why are they still taking place there? Where you have even much more violence of unprecedented proportion. Why is it still taking place there? Why do we still have weddings in those other parts of Nigeria? Is it not in the Southwest Catholic Church that they slaughtered people inside the church? Why is wedding still taking place in Southwest where this thing happened? The truth is that no part of Nigeria is safe. No part is completely safe. But still people go about their normal business. People still got married. People still bury their dead. People still do what they have to do amidst the challenges of insecurity. That's the truth. So I don't buy into that claim that the reason why the wedding was held in Lagos was because Southeast is unsafe. Now look at what Joe Igbokwe wrote. He said, as beautiful and colorful Davido's wedding is, I regret the obvious and painful truth that the event did not take place in the Southeast. Thank you, IPOB, ESN, and KGM, known as government. Now, I agree that no part of the country is safe. Before you can, he ought to know it, that no part of the country is safe. And in any case, he is a major player in APC. It is the responsibility of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration to ensure peace in the Southeast. So if that wedding did not take place in the Southeast because of insecurity, who is the chief security officer of Nigeria? Is it not the APC candidate, presidential candidate, that INEC announced that he won the 2023 election? Why has he failed to bring peace and security to the Southeast? It means that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has failed to secure people of Southeast. So he has his principal, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to blame for that wedding taking place in Lagos, if that was what happened. It is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the chief security officer, the man who Joe Igbokwe kowtow to, the man he praises from morning till night as a messiah of a sort. He has failed to provide security in the Southeast. Because even if there are IPOBs and the ESN who are doing all these things, it is his responsibility to bring them to book. It is his responsibility to arrest them and stop them in their track. That's why he's the president and commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So his organ has failed the nation. He has failed. Zero. Has scored zero on security, on insecurity. In terms of the economy, has also scored zero. So he didn't know that what he has done was to expose the inefficiency and incapacity of his president, of his principal, of their presidential candidate, of the one that INEC announced as the winner of the election. He has failed in a major task because the essence of government is to protect lives and property, and he has failed to do it in the Southeast. So Joe Igbokwe, instead of blaming anybody, should blame his principal, their presidential candidate, who is now the president, for failing in his number one responsibility, securing the country, and particularly the Southeast, which is the one that Igbokwe is emphasizing on. That's my take on this. Since Joe Igbokwe didn't see anything wrong that is going on in the country, except to use that wedding to take a jab on people of Southeast. Agreed, Southeast has security challenges like every other part of Nigeria, and Ohaneze is doing a lot to ensure that there is peace in the Southeast. Give it to Chief Emmanuel Iwanyang. Whether you like him or not, he's doing his bit to see that there is peace in the Southeast. And he's not alone. Several other parts of the country, people are having all kinds of security arrangements to ensure peace and security. But to make it as if it is a Southeast problem alone is uncalled for. And in any case, as I said, it is the responsibility of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to ensure that there is peace and security in the Southeast and in every part of the country, so that weddings can take place anywhere the couples want it to take place. If we are to believe the claim by Joe Igbokwe that the couple wanted to do it in Southeast, or they are supposed to do it in the Southeast, and the Adeleke say no, Southeast is not safe. It is the responsibility of the APC government, which Joe Igbokwe is a part of, to secure this nation, including the Southeast, so that people can live freely, marry their wives, and bury their dead in peace. That's my take. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.